Hello, it's Mike Palmo and I'm going to show you how to make a clap like this or this. Very simple clap with Sytrus, and first we open up Sytrus and select the default mode and go to operator 1 and enable noise and disable the output here and send operator 1 to filter 1 and enable output on filter 1. So here on filter section we choose high pass. We can add a little bit of resonance, enable volume envelope and make very short or sharp our instant attack. This point can be removed and we just make this very sharp and short space saw shape here to the beginning of the sound. You can try different types of filters here, for example X3 or X2. And it already sounds like a clap, but we could add in operator 2 also white noise and send it to filter 2 and use high pass again, add a lot of resonance and do in the volume envelope do the same thing, but this time with no tail. It just adds a bit like low end to the sound. And we can also enable effects on filter 1 and drag the chorus down to 0 and enable or turn the reverb on, but drag this decay time all the way down. It adds a little bit of fullness and wetness to the sound. Otherwise it's a bit dry. And then you basically just tweak. Yeah, this is my tutorial how to make a clap sound in Sytrus with FL Studio. So hope you learned something and thanks for watching. Bye.